Okay, today we do the unboxing of my 3D cell phone video thing. I mean, it's like a VR glasses for my cell phone. I just opened it in any case. So we'll see what is inside. It's a VR headset. I bought it on eBay for I think $35, maybe. I don't know. This is the box inside. This is okay. This is the box. I don't see any other things. Nothing is there inside. So this is the VR headset box. VR. I think it's a Chinese product again. Oh, it's like $35. This is what you have here. On top of the box, basically it's a simple cell phone VR headset. You slide in and you just watch. Hopefully it works good. See, this is the box. Looks like an instruction booklet, user guide, how to use it, how to set it up, right? I think it's $39. It came fast, like in 5 to 10 days. I think I got it. I have this one inside, and then I'll show you. This is like a headband. It looks like a headband or like a head strip or something. Let us see what else is included inside. There's another. Oh, there looks like there is a remote. Wow. Check it. Like a headphones for the speakers, attachments for both sides. This another one, 2 pieces headphones. Looks okay, quality. And I have a cleaning cloth. So now this is an empty box. We put it on this side. This one, something. See, when you go to the actual thing, oh wow, something. It's like a joystick. Ooh, what is this? I don't know. Like maybe like a remote. You just move it around. It has functions here. This is the actual headset. VR Shine Con virtual reality glasses. It has a little sticker on the front. You take it off. It's not a bad. It's a plastic box. It has some lenses here. They have some protective membrane. You need to take it off on each lens. Then you take it out. This lenses look like acrylic or plastic or whatever. Pretty much this is it. Something volume or some up and down buttons here. And okay, this is where these things go, I think. Ooh, the attachment. It has right. This is right is going into right is going inside right, and this left one is going into the left. Alright, now it's fixed. What we have here is, this is a volume thing, and you have a little wire thing here. I don't know where it goes. Oh, I think it goes into the cell phone. When you slide it in, here you can open it. This is where you put the cell phone, here, and connect this sound card into this. So when you put the cell phone here and you press the safety thing and then close it like how you're closing after putting the cell phone, and then click it. That should be it. Hopefully it gives me some good entertainment. Supposed to be like 75-inch screen or 100-inch screen size in front of your eyes. So this is and there is something micro adjustment thing here. It's not sliding in correctly. Yeah, no idea. This one is for focusing, I think. Focusing button, I don't know what these are, fine micro focusing or something. When I check the functions, then I will understand. So this is pretty much a $40 VR headset from eBay. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. These all videos are for you to get an idea what type of stuff you get on eBay for how much money. Most of the unboxing people, they don't really talk about the price. Then it's a good idea to talk a little bit about the price. That way viewers can understand what we get for what we pay, how much we are paying and what type of quality we get. So I advise everybody who is doing a product demo or unboxing videos to mention about the price and the site, so they check around different website and compare the prices and the quality, and then they get the best whatever they like. So thank you very much. This is what all we have for this $40 VR headset from eBay. Thanks guys, and have a great day. Bye.